New technology, new habits, and new ways of doing business are all around us. Because of this, some jobs are slowly disappearing. Not all at once, not with big headlines. But little by little, they're being replaced, changed, or no longer needed. In this video, we'll talk about 10 common jobs that might not exist, or will be much harder to find, in the next 10 years. And we'll explain why this is happening. 1. Cashiers. Cashiers have always been part of our daily lives, at supermarkets, pharmacies, and shops. But lately, more and more people are scanning their own items, paying through machines, or even skipping checkout completely when using apps or digital wallets. Stores want things to move faster, with fewer lines. And customers often prefer to avoid waiting or talking, especially in busy cities. On top of that, stores want to save money. Paying fewer workers means lower costs. That's why many businesses are removing cashier roles and investing in self-checkout systems. This doesn't mean no one will work at a store. But it does mean there will likely be fewer cashiers in the future, and less need for that specific job. 2. Telemarketers. Telemarketers are the people who call to sell something, a service, a product, or a plan. These jobs used to be common. But today, they are much harder. Most people no longer answer calls from unknown numbers. Many of us hang up quickly or use apps to block unwanted calls. Also, some countries now have strong laws to limit sales calls. It's harder to reach people, and harder to make sales this way. Because of that, many companies are choosing other ways to connect with customers, like online ads, emails, or messages. Fewer companies are hiring telemarketers now, and this job may continue to disappear over time. 3. Travel agents. Before smartphones and internet booking, travel agents were the go-to experts. They helped people book flights, hotels, rental cars, and even plan full vacations. But now, most people plan trips themselves using apps and websites. You can compare prices, check reviews, and make changes instantly, all from your phone. While some travelers still like working with a real person, especially for luxury trips or complicated plans, most don't need a travel agent anymore. This means fewer people are working in that role, and fewer new jobs are opening in this field. 4. Bank tellers. Bank tellers help customers with money, deposits, withdrawals, payments, and questions. But in the last 10 years, more of these tasks have moved online. Now you can deposit checks, transfer money, pay bills, and check balances using your phone. Many people go months or even years without stepping into a bank. Because of this, banks are closing some branches and reducing their staff. The teller job hasn't disappeared, but it's becoming less common, and may one day be rare. 5. Print journalists. Journalists who work for newspapers and magazines are seeing big changes. Many people don't wait for the paper anymore. They read news online, watch short videos, or scroll through headlines on social media. This fast way of getting news makes it harder for printed newspapers to keep up. It also means they earn less money from ads and subscriptions. As a result, many news companies are cutting jobs or switching to online-only versions. Some still need writers and editors, but not as many as before. And those who stay often have to work faster, write more, and do more than just reporting. 6. Data entry clerks. Data entry jobs involve typing or copying information into computers. This work can take a lot of time and focus. It also often involves doing the same thing over and over again. But now, companies use programs that can do this job quickly and without mistakes. The software is getting better every year, and it doesn't get tired or need breaks. That means companies don't need to hire as many people to do this work. So, fewer data entry jobs are available, and this type of job may slowly go away in the next few years. 7. Factory assembly line workers. Factories have changed a lot. In the past, many workers stood in long lines, putting together products piece by piece. Now, much of that work is done by machines. These machines can work all day, every day, without rest, and they're often faster and more exact. While some workers are still needed to run and fix the machines, many hands-on jobs are disappearing. This change is happening in countries all over the world, not just in places with big industries. People who want to stay in factory work may need new training to work with machines or move to different roles. 8. Postal workers. Mail was once a big part of daily life. People sent letters, paid bills, and received important documents through the post. But now, most of that happens online. We send emails, pay bills through apps, and share photos instantly with family and friends. As fewer people use traditional mail, post offices don't need as many workers. Some areas are closing branches or cutting delivery days. And while packages are still common, regular letter mail keeps going down. In the long run, this means fewer jobs in the postal system. 9. Parking attendants. Parking used to involve tickets, booths, and someone keeping an eye on things. Now, many cities and buildings use digital systems. You can pay with an app, get a receipt by text, and drive out with no human help. Some garages even have cameras that track your license plate. This makes things faster for drivers and cheaper for owners, but it also means fewer jobs. As these systems become more common, the role of a parking attendant may fade away. 10. Fast food workers. Fast food restaurants are always looking for ways to serve more people quickly and keep costs low. That's why many are making big changes. More places are using self-service machines to take orders. Some kitchens use machines to cook, mix drinks, and prepare food. These changes mean that fewer people are needed to work the front counter or in the kitchen. Some jobs will still be there, but not as many as before. This is especially true in big cities, where automation is growing fast. These jobs are going away not because people are doing them badly, but because the world is changing. The way we live, shop, travel, and talk is different now. And businesses are trying to keep up with those changes. But when some jobs disappear, others are created. The future will need people with different skills, people who can work with new technology, solve problems, help others, and keep learning. Which of these jobs surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and share if you found this helpful.